Hello Quillas, this is Agnes from Agnes Paper and Crafts. I'm so excited to announce that I am the design team for Craftgully. It is an Indian online craft store. So if you are interested, you can check them out. They also give international shipping. If you have been following me on Instagram, you could have come across my announcement on it earlier. So I have recently received my design team box and let us do an unboxing. So the box got stuffs for quilling and card making. The quilling papers came in 2 mm size and 3 mm size. So they can be grouped into single colors, double colors, and in some color batches like this is summer shades and the peacock shades. There is also some 3 mm wide strips, and in their website you can find 1 mm, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 10 mm size strips. And the next I got some cardstock. This will be good for the card bases to make. And then some pattern papers. Let me open this up and show you the colors. We have some beautiful colors which goes well with the yellow color motifs. These are 6 into 6 inches and 200 GSM thick and are acid free. And the next pack is Happy Times, which comes with beautiful simple patterns with some subtle colors. And these pattern papers are black monohue series, so they come in 6 different patterns that are in shades of black. And now this is embossed paper or the embossed cards, which we can use for card making or scrapbooking. Quilling tools, the slotted tool, the needle tool, tweezer, and some perfect glaze. This can be used as a finishing varnish for our quilling. Some craft cardstock, MDF blanks, tags, and some embellishments. These embellishments I usually store them in small boxes like this, which are like saucepans or something. These small boxes are just right for embellishments and they are inexpensive. I just put all my embellishments in individual boxes and arrange them on a single tray so they are easy to reach out and also easy to identify whenever I need them. Earlier I used small box like this which has compartments in it, but it didn't had individual openings, so they mix up accidentally. So I had changed to these tiny boxes. I'm transferring these embellishments to the boxes, and also I can add up a small piece of information from the packaging into the box, so next time when I need the same embellishment I know where I bought them from and it's easy for restocking. You can find me making few projects in the coming months with all these supplies. So stay tuned and also check out Craftgully for their website for my complete tutorials.